G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's quite bright, some of it's wool cut gemstones, some of it's crystal. The rule's in millimetres, the material has been wetted. I'll zoom in. I've zoomed in and I haven't moved any of the pieces in relation to where the rule's sitting. Rule's in millimetres. Don't forget you can stop the video if you want to look at any particular piece. I'll pick some up in a minute. Quite a nice bright deal. Just move that rule from where the material was, just so you can see what's underneath it. Pieces like this in it, crystal. Quite nice. Here's a nice, quite bright piece of material. Seam goes right round there, it looks like. Maybe peters off a little bit just here on the end. It's still quite a nice stone. Lots of pieces that you could make into mosaics or doublets. Some of it is a bit thin. There's a nice piece that jumped out at me. Pinks, gold, yellows. I think that gives you a bit of an idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.